In the last previous class, we have learned about Meena the Optimist, the lesson. So we have completed the lesson. So now we are going to complete the bit part. So bit part is nothing but it is in page number 11. You can see page number 11. So before going to that, I am going to revise the lesson one more time. After that, I am going to start it. Okay. So now you can see page number 8. Just have a reveal on the new words, that is crawl, rickshaw, mist, optimist. These are the new words. And page number 9, have a finger in that. I am going to tell you reveal once I revise the lesson, and then I am going to go into the bit part. Why? Because if we have a revise in the lesson, and we can complete the bit part very easily. So did you know optimists are happy people? Everyone loves optimists. Optimists are healthy people. So I already told it. Just I will read it. You just have a glance on it. Okay. Meena the optimist. Chintu was a sad little boy. He was always sad. No matter what, he found something to be sad about. When everyone else was happy, he would be sad. His best friend was Meena. Meena was always happy. No matter what, she found something to be happy about. Oh, look, Chintu, Meena said. It's going to rain. What nice about that, said Chintu grumpily. Why, it will become cool, said Meena happily. But my shoes will get spoiled, said Chintu grumpily. Turn the page. They were walking to school. Meena saw Ramu uncle, the rickshawala. Look, Chintu, Ramu uncle, let's go with him. Then your shoes will not get wet. Ramu uncle happily dropped them off to school. Now your shoes are now not wet, Chintu. Meena said cheerfully. Aren't you happy? No, Chintu said with a scrawl. The breeze has messed up my hair. It looks better, Chintu. Meena replied. It rained heavily. When they were going home, it was still raining a bit. There were puddles everywhere. Meena was happy. She made paper boats and sailed them in a puddle. Chintu looked grumpily. My shoes are all wet, he said sadly. After a while, the sun came out. Meena clapped her hands. Chintu, the sun is out. Your shoes will dry up, she said. But it's so hot now. Chintu said grumpily. I don't like it. When it's so hot, one day the teacher put off a glass of water on her table. She said, children, look at this glass. Down. Rickshawala, a person who drives a three-wheeler passenger vehicle. She asked Chintu, what do you see? Chintu said, I see a half-empty glass. Then she asked Meena. Meena said cheerfully, I see a glass half full of water. The teacher looked at the children. Do you see, children? The same glass, two people, one sees it has half empty and one sees it has half full. Meena is an optimist. An optimist finds something good in everything. Chintu thought to himself, she's right. I am always sad. Meena is always happy. I need to be happy too. From that day, Chintu changed. He became a happy person. If it rained, he sails the boats. If the sun was hot, he had ice cream. He didn't mind if his shoes became wet. They would drive anyway. Everyone liked Chintu. He was such a happy child. So, this is the lesson. Why I am revising you, just I am telling why I have read everything. You may clear each and every sentence I have completed and I have explained you. So now we will complete the practice zone 1. Can you see down here in the page number 11 down? Say the following sentences in the way they would have been said in the story. In the story how they have said, like that we have to say these words. Oh, look Chintu, it's going to rain. Who said these words? These words said by Meena the optimist. But it is so hot now. I don't like when it's so hot. Who said these words? These words is said by Chintu. Now your shoes are safe. Chintu, aren't you happy? Who said these words? These words are there? No. She is right. I am always sad. Meena is always happy. Who said these words? Chintu. Chintu felt that what the Meena is telling, it is right. Okay. Now go to the second question. Arrange the sentences in the order in which they are appeared in the story. So in the story, what is first one and what is the second one? We have to write there. So, look Chintu, Ramu uncle, let's go with him. Meena is an optimist. So which one will comes first? Can you guess it? Which one will come first? We have to arrange it. So B and A. In the box you write down page number 12, B and A. B and A. So he has given small letters, we will write small. Second one. Write true if the following statements are true and F if they are false. If it is false, you write false. If it is true, you write true. So first one is Meena was always happy. Is true or false? True. So third one, first one is true. Ramu had a car. No, false. A, true. B, false. C, Chintu was always happy. False. And D bit question is Chintu did not like his shoes to get wet. True. So answer is true, false, false, true. That is the third one. Fourth one, choose the right answer. So third one is choose the right answer. So this is the fourth question, yes. Choose the right answer, it is the fourth one. Fourth one question is, he has given, the teacher called Meena an optimist, a sad person, a grumpy person. So first one is, what we have to do? Choose the correct answers, whether it is right or wrong. So A bit is right in the fourth one. And the fifth one in the B bit. So in the fourth one, this is the A bit answers and this is the B bit. In the B bit, what he has given, what did Meena put into the pudding? Water, paper birds, flowers. So in the puddles, what's Meena put into the puddles? So paper birds. So in this, the second one is right. And the C bit. Chintu was always sleepy, happy, sad. So in the C bit, third one is the right right answer. And in the debate, who dropped them to the school? Chintu's father, Ramu uncle, Meena's mother. So in this, the second one is right. Ramu uncle. E. Meena saw the glass as empty, half full or half empty. So Meena saw the glass as half full of water. So in E bit, the answer is second one, half full of water. So once again I read the questions. You know not to worry. So can you see page number 11 once again? Say the following sentences in the way they would have been said in the story. Oh, look, Chintu, it's going to rain. Who said these words? This is said by Meena. But it's so hot now. I don't like when it is so hot. It is said by Chintu. Now your shoes are safe. Chintu, aren't you happy? Said Meena. She writes, I am always sad. Meena is always happy. This is verse said by Chintu. Arrange the sentences in order in which they appear in the story. Look, Chintu, Ramu uncle, let's go with them. With him. Meena is an optimist. So B and A. Write true if the following statements are true and F if they are false. Meena was always happy, right? Ramu had a car, wrong. Chintu was always happy, wrong. Chintu did not like his shoes to get wet, right. Choose the right answer. The teacher called Meena an optimist, a sad person, a grumpy person. So the teacher called Meena an optimist. A answer. In A, first one is the answer. B bit. What did Meena put into a puddles? In puddles, water, paper boards, flowers. So second one. In B bit, second one. That is paper boards. Chintu was, now go to page number 13. Chintu was always sleepy, happy, sad. So he is very sad. Third one. Who dropped them to school? Chintu's father, Ramu uncle, Meena's mother. So second one it is Ramu uncle. Meena saw the glass as half empty or half full of water or half empty glass of water. So it is half full of water. Second one is the right. Okay. Now fifth, he has given the shoes, happy, glass, sad, boats. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. So Meena saw the dash as full of half full. What is that? What he has seen? Meena saw the dash has full, half full. What is that half full he has seen? Glass. Okay. This is the page number 13. Page number 13. So first one, he has given 4 lines. We have to write there. Meena saw the glass as half full. G L A S S. Glass. What is the second one? Chintu was worried about his dash. Shoes, happy, sand, boats. So the picture is given shoes. So the answer is shoes. S H O E S. Shoes. Third one. Again he has given the 4 lines. Third one. Meena was always shoes, happy, class, sad, bored. Meena was always happy. H A P P Y, happy. Fourth one. Turn the page, page number 14. Chintu was always dash. Chintu was always. So you may be confused if I write four numbers. They are given A, B, C, D. So I write A, B, C, D. So D. So here what he has given, Chintu was always sad. S-A-D, sad. While you are writing, you must see the answer should be written in the middle lines. E. Meena liked to sell paper dash, paper boards. Again 4 lines. Boards. B O A T S, boards. Who said the following? I don't like when it is so hot. So did you understood? Now I'll read the sentence. With that sentence I am going to read the answers also. Meena saw the glass as full, half full of water. Can you see the picture there? Page number 13. Chintu was worried about his shoes. Meena was always happy. Chintu was always sad. Meena liked to sell paper boats. Now the sixth one. Who said the following? I don't like when it's so hot. It is said by who? The page number. This is the page number 14. Page number 14, sixth bit and A answer. I don't like when it is so hot. It is set by Chintu. 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 So he has given the 4 lines. Sorry, I am writing the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Capital C H-I-N-T-U. Chintu, the sun is hot, your shoes will dry up. Who said these words? This word is said by Meena. Capital M-I-N-A. Meena. The next one, children look at this glass, said by teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-E-R, teacher. D. I see a glass half full of water. Who said this word, half full of water? Said by Meena, Chintu. I see a glass half full of water. It is said by Meena. M-I-N-A, Meena. Okay. These are the letters. These are the words you have to complete it. So it is in page number 14. So everybody should write it. I will give you 2 minutes time. So fastly you have to write. Meanwhile I read the answers what I have written on the board. So In the sixth Roman, who said the following: I don't like when it is so hot. Said by Chintu. Chintu, the sun is hot. Your shoes will be dry up. Said by Meena. Children, look at this glass. Said by teacher. I see a glass half full of water. Said by Meena. And where were Chintu and Meena going in the rain? What kind of a boy was Chintu? What kind of a girl was Meena? So these three answers, that is the 7th one, 8th one and 9th one in page number 14, you have to do it as homework. So you can write with your own sentences. Why I am telling you to write this one? Because I want to know how much the lesson you have understand, how much you have understood the lesson. So this is the lesson. I have given all the from page number, what is the page number? From page number 11, I have till page number 14, 6th Roman, 6th bit I have completed, and I am asking you to write the homework, 7th one, 8th one and 9th one as homework. Why I am giving the homework for you means I want to know till how much you have understood the lesson. So I am going to explain the question. You can write it easily in your own sentences. Again I will give you the answers, or that are the straightforward answers I will give you. Where were Chintu and Meena going in the rain? In the rain, where they are going? Where they are going to home? They are going to school, or they are playing in the road. What they are doing? And what kind of a boy was Chintu? Chintu was a saddy boy, happy boy, or smiley face boy, or sad face boy. How is Chintu? And the 9th one is, what kind of a girl was Meena? Can you tell me what kind of girl she was? She was a sad girl, she was a happy girl, and she was an optimist girl, and she was sweetie girl. What is that? You have to write it. You write it in one sentence. No need to worry to write more than one sentence. You can write in one sentence. Okay? In one sentence. Meena is a dash girl. What kind of boy was Chintu? And where were Chintu and Meena going in the rain? These are the 7, 8 and 9 questions are the homework for you. So I will write it down here. Shall I write this homework here? I am roughing this one. I will write the homework what I have to give you. So homework is homework. Write, okay, complete textbook page number 14, 7, 8 and 9 question and answers. Homework is complete textbook page number 14, 7, 8 and 9 question and answers. You can write the answers in one sentence. No need to write in a more than one sentence. One sentence is enough. One sentence is enough. You can write it. They are given 4 lines, only one line he has given. So you can write it as you wish, whatever you understood, you write that one. And once again I am going to tell you the questions. What is that? Where were Chintu and Meena going in the rain? Where they are going in the rain? Where they are going in the rain? If you read the lesson, if you understood the lesson, Chintu was a sad little boy. He was always sad no matter what he was home. So you can see and you can can write it where they were going. Okay. And the second question is, what kind of a boy was Chintu? Chintu was a bad boy or a saddy boy or a smiley boy or a happy boy or a sad boy. Whatever you have understood in the lesson, you have to write that one. And what kind of a girl was Meena? And what kind of a girl was Meena? Meena is what kind of a girl? It's a sweetie girl, it's a happy girl, it's a smiley girl, or it's a bad girl, or it's a bad habited girl. You have to write it. Okay. So these are the bit part we have completed till here. So in the next concept, in the next thing, we are going to complete about the concept connection about the noun. Already we have learned the basics about the naming words and whatever it is there and what we have to complete. In the next session I am going to tell you. In this session I am giving the homework for you. You have to complete page number 14, 7, 8 and 9 question answers, and I have given you to read the lesson once again, and you will be understanding this whatever the question answers I have given. You have to complete the homework, and these are the bit part we have completed. In the next session we are going to learn about nouns, a common noun and a proper noun. About that I am going to give a deep explanation, and we'll complete that one. And one more thing is, once you can see page number 13, so this one you have to read. Page number 13, fifth Roman. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. It is given no. Meena saw the dash as full. Meena saw the glass as full, half full. Chintu was worried about his shoes. Meena was always happy. And Chintu was always sad. Meena liked to sell paper boats. So these are the three. This you have to learn it, and you have to complete these answers, and you have to learn textbook page number 13, fifth Roman, fifth bit. Learn textbook page number 13, fifth bit. Fifth bit from A to E. A to fifth bit. Fifth bit is enough. No need to write A to B. So in that how many are there? Fifth bit you have to read it. So once again I make you to read. Meena saw the glass as half full. Meena saw the glass as half full. Chintu was worried about his shoes. Chintu was worried about his shoes. Meena was always happy. Meena was always happy. Chintu was always sad. Chintu was always sad. Meena liked to sell paper boats. Meena liked to sell paper boats. Once again, Meena saw the glass as half full. Chintu was worried about his shoes. Meena was always happy. Chintu was always sad. Meena liked to sell paper boats. Once again, Meena saw the glass as half full. Chintu was worried about his shoes. Meena was always happy. Chintu was always sad. Meena liked to sail paper boats. These are the fifth Roman fill in the blanks you have to learn, and you have to complete 7, 8, 9 question answers in page number 14. And in page number 13 you have to read fifth bit as I'm going to ask you in the next session. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.